In this story, we will see that how you can change your age on TikTok in just few easy steps. So let's dive in. So you are in profile. If you click on edit profile, you will find here settings to change name or username. But to change date of birth, you have to click back and click on these three lines on right upper side. And here you have to open privacy. So from settings and privacy, we have to scroll down and here you will find the option to report a problem. You have to click on that. And here if you scroll down, you will find here account and profile. You have to click on that and here you will get this email or phone number, editing people, profile page. You have to click on editing profile and here if you scroll down you will find here some of options. You have to click on other and here in the right bottom side you will find here need more help. Click on that and here you have to request TikTok to change your date of birth. You can write like I need to update my birthday info. On the profile the birth date I entered is incorrect. Help me out. You can write here your birthday that you want to change and then you have to write your email where TikTok team will contact you in 1 to 2 days. So that's how you can change your age on TikTok in just few steps.